Managing a facility comes with its challenges, and one of the biggest is keeping track of who comes in and out. This is especially true for large, complex organizations, with workers, contractors, visitors, and delivery personnel arriving and departing across multiple sites, multiple entrances, often running 24/7. With so many moving parts, changing protocols, and critical priorities like safety, security, and compliance, effective visitor management isn't optional, it's essential. That's why we created VisitorOS, part of the VisitorOS platform, a best-in-class solution built to adapt to any facility management scenario, no matter how complex. When visitors arrive on site, they're guided through an intuitive, interactive sign-in process. They simply choose the type of visitor they are, enter their basic information, and smile for the camera. Depending on who they are, which facility they're visiting, and why they're there, you can require them to watch a safety video, review visitation guidelines or NDAs, and confirm they've completed any required training. Everything can be customized and easily updated to match the needs of your industry and your facilities. Visitors can also select who they're meeting, and that person is instantly notified by text, email, or even a phone call. For high-volume sites or reoccurring contractors, pre-registration makes check-in even faster. They can complete all documentation in advance, then simply scan a QR code when they arrive to sign in instantly. Once signed in, each visitor receives a personalized ID badge with specific security clearances, valid for a set period of time. Badges can be customized by company, by requirement, and by site. Every interaction is securely stored in the cloud, giving you a complete digital audit trail across all locations. Generate detailed reports from any device using an easy-to-use real-time dashboard. No more flipping through logbooks or guessing who was on site. With VisitorOS, your team gets full visibility and real-time insight into your entire operation. Every VisitorOS deployment comes pre-configured, hardware and software ready to go and straight out of the box. VisitorOS also maintains and supports all kiosks at no charge for the life of your contract. Whether you manage one site or hundreds across the globe, VisitorOS scales effortlessly. VisitorOS pre-configures and ships your system anywhere in the world. That means you get an intelligent, flexible, and scalable visitor management solution, keeping your facility safe, secure, and compliant while giving every visitor a seamless experience. Visit VisitorOS.com to learn more.